Shot. Today we are unboxing the Apple Watch SE 2nd generation. No more talking, let's crack on. We've got the signature Apple logo and watch on there. You can see what model it is by saying it just here. Unfold this bit here and take these out. Okay, this is what it looks like on the insides. Has so many designs of different watches. That's really cool. The strap. I'm going to need to take this bit off like this. And then, seems we just have to... this is quite hard actually. Okay, there's a lovely slot for us to just slide that beautiful pristine thing out. Says some instructions for how to slip it onto the watch. We're just going to open this up. Oh, look at that and see the strap. Black, I think it's called the Moon Black one. Midnight Black one. Now what I'm going to do here is just slide this out there. Oh, it has a bit of casing on there. So I'm just going to take that off. Oh, it's all shiny and has that thing. Maybe it's magnetic. Actually, no, it has a clip there, so I think you just clip it on. Next, just slide that out. Really satisfying, I have to say. I don't know why we need a third bit. Just slip it out like that. A small one and a big one for people with smaller wrists and bigger wrists. I think I'm going to be needing this one as I do not have that big a wrist, as you can see. Next, we have a similar package, but it has the watch logo on it instead. It's got similar things on it, but not actually exactly the same. They're more just a peel one and you don't actually break it off. And it's on both sides, probably because they're trying to make it more secure because it's the main expensive thing of it. Let's see what we have here. We have the main bit of the watch. Whoa, we got the watch. Look at that. Whoa. Oh my gosh, that looks absolutely amazing. We'll just put that there. Apparently, it was designed by Apple, obviously, in California. Okay, what's this bit then? Underneath here. I think it's a charger, it seems. I don't see how I'm going to be able to charge this. There's no plugs to put in. Oh, that's weird. Hold on, let me just take this out. Take this bit out. What is this here? Oh, look. Oh, wait, what does this do? Hold on, let me just see this again. Oh, it has a circular bit. Oh, it just clips on like that, and I think that is what charges it. That's really cool. Now, we're going to charge it up and connect it to my iPhone 8. See you in a bit. Now that I've finished charging it, I've also connected it to my iPhone 8, which is actually the earliest model you can use to connect it to the SE Generation 2. I'm going to put the straps on. Okay, I'm not sure which side. I think it's this side. Just slid in like that. Okay, next we're going to do this one. There's a gap just in here where I can slip this bit on so I can clip it onto my wrist. I've slipped it on. Now, all there is to do now is, well, try it out. After probably a million years of trying to fit it on my wrist, we've finally done it. Now, all I need to do is unlock it. Hold on, did you think I'm going to let you see my password? Of course not. Hold on. Now, after I finished doing my password, I'm going to open it up and show you that there's loads of apps there that can show me my fitness, and I can even install games, and if I connect it to a phone, even take pictures. First impression is it looks really cool, and as well as telling the time, it can look at all kinds of health stuff, and I think you can even play a few games. It's kind of like an iPhone, but really small and can fit on your wrist. I might do a video after a few weeks of what I think of it. Goodbye and steady shot.
If you enjoyed the video you just watched, press like and subscribe. It's free and helps me out. Oh, whilst you're still there, if you like the video, there's more here to choose from. Steady shot, everyone!